How to fix Microsoft Store error 0xc0EA0002 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Over time, the store's cache can become cluttered or corrupted, leading to errors during downloads or updates. Resetting it clears out problematic data and forces the app to rebuild its temporary files. If that didn't work, by executing commands through an elevated command prompt, you can repair corrupted system files. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Built-in troubleshooters can detect and fix common problems with Microsoft Store and its apps, such as service issues or configuration errors that cause download failures. If that didn't work, incorrect system settings can disrupt Microsoft Store authentication, leading to errors when connecting to its servers. Ensuring these are accurate aligns your PC with the store's requirements. Fix 5. Repair or reset Microsoft Store. Persistent issues might stem from deeper corruption within the Store app itself, which a repair or reset can address by restoring it to a working state while keeping other data intact. If the store's installation files are damaged or misconfigured, it might fail to function properly, triggering errors like 0xc0EA0002. Re-registering it reinstalls the app's core components without affecting your data. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.